Hi students, today we are balance the following redox reaction by ion electron method. So they will give chemical reaction. We have to balance in acidic medium. Balance the following redox reaction by ion electron method in acidic medium. So here in the given reaction, so this is one compound, this is another compound. We have two compounds in reactant side. In product side also we have another two more compounds. So total four number of compounds we have. First we have to calculate oxidation numbers. Oxidation numbers. So calculating here reactant side and product side. So while after calculating oxidation number, the oxidation number increases from reactants to product side. That is known as oxidation half reaction. That is known as oxidation half reaction. So oxidation number decreases reactants to oxidation number decreases reactants to product side. So that is known as reduction half reaction. See, so I am calculating oxidation numbers. See here. First one MnO4. So MnO4 I am calculating here oxidation number. Oxidation states I am calculating. This is taken as rough work. Oxidation states. Oxidation state I am calculating. First compound reactant side MnO4 I am taking. So we have to find the manganese oxidation state. Why? Because so reactant side manganese is there and the product side also manganese is there. So yeah, here already oxidation state given, no need to calculate this one. This one taken as +2. I am showing in the bracket this one +2. So here calculating manganese. So manganese taken as X plus how many oxygens are there? 4 into oxygen. Previous video we did so how to calculate oxidation state. Go through that video. So you know how to calculate oxidation state. Normal oxidation state is -2. -2. Here I am substituting here. So all the elements sum which is equal to negative charge. Here power given -1. Minus means -1 equal to -1. X -8 equal to -1. X is equal to -1 plus 8. X is equal to +7. So manganese oxidation state is +7. Manganese oxidation state is +7. I am writing here. Here +7 manganese oxidation state. Here +7 manganese oxidation state. Here manganese oxidation state +2. So +7 to +2. This is the oxidation number +7 to +2. Reactant side. Reactant side +7 is there. Product side +7. Number decreases. So OHR. Number decreases, no? RHR. Reduction half reaction. Reduction half reaction. This one reduction half reaction. So one is a reduction half reaction. So this one oxidation half reaction. This one oxidation half reaction. Here number oxidation number decreases, plus 7 to plus 2 means number decreases, oxidation half reaction. So this one reduction half reaction. Reduction of reaction. See here, I am calculating SO2 oxidation state. So underlying element is, here we have to find oxidation state of sulfur. See in product side, reactant side, SO2 is there, we have to find oxidation state of sulfur. Here we have to find oxidation state of sulfur in product side. In SO2, I am finding oxidation state of sulfur. Here no charge, here charge is not there, so I am taking all elements from which is equal to 0. X plus 2 into minus 2, 2 into minus 2 equal to 0, x minus 4 equal to 0, x is equal to plus 4, plus 4. So sulfur oxidation state is plus 4. Here HSO4 oxidation state. Similarly HSO4 minus. So hydrogen charge 1, I am calculating sulfur oxidation state. So hydrogen charge 1 now, so plus 1 into 1. I am writing directly 1 into 1, 1 plus x. So 4 into minus 2, 4 into minus 2. I am writing directly 4 into minus 2, minus 8 equal to minus 1. So x minus 7 equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 plus 7. So x is equal to how much? Plus 6. X is equal to plus 6. What is the oxidation state of sulfur here? Plus 6. So this is oxidation half reaction. This is oxidation half reaction. Oxidation number here plus 4 to plus 6. So number decreases. Oxidation number plus 4 to plus 6. So oxidation number increases. Oxidation number increases means oxidation half reaction. So oxidation half reaction. OHR means oxidation half reaction. Here number decreases, plus 7 to plus 2. Number decreases, reduction half reaction. So I am writing here on side OHR, oxidation half reaction. Reduction half reaction. Reduction half reaction. So what is oxidation half reaction? So this one no, plus 4 to plus 6 means we are taking SO2 to HSO4. SO2 to HSO4 minus. This is oxidation half reaction. This one reduction half reaction. MnO4 minus gives rise to Mn plus 2. Mn plus 2. Mn plus 2. No need to write here oxidation state. While splitting the redox reaction, so we have to calculate oxidation states. So this is oxidation half reaction, this is a reduction half reaction. I am balancing this one. So in the first, while calculating oxidation half reaction in acidic medium, the first step is balance other than oxygen and hydrogen. Balance other than and oxygen and hydrogen. So balancing other than oxygen and hydrogen. Here sulfur is there. Sulfur SO2 gives rise to HSO4. So sulfur already balanced here. One sulfur is there. Reactant side, a product side also one sulfur is there. So balance other than oxygen and hydrogen. So here manganese is there. Manganese is there. MnO4 gives rise to Mn plus 2. Mn plus 2. Here also manganese balanced. Here one manganese, here also one manganese. No need to balance here charge. After we have to balance the charge. So balance first step, we completed first step, balance other than oxygen and hydrogen. Next step, balancing oxygen atoms by adding water molecule to the deficient side. By adding water molecules to the deficient side. Here reactant side 2 oxygens is there, so product side 4 oxygens is there. So we have to, this side 2 oxygens is there, this side 4. Here more number of oxygens in product side, here 2 oxygens deficient. We are adding 2 water molecules. How many water molecules we are adding here, students? 2 water molecules. 2 water molecules. Because here 4 oxygens is there, here 2 oxygens is there. So 2 oxygens deficient. We are adding 2 water molecules. So in reactant side, here similarly here 4 oxygens is there, here no oxygens is, here no oxygens is found here. So I am balancing here by adding 4 water molecules. MnO4 minus gives rise to Mn plus 2. Here 4 oxygens is there. How many oxygens we have to add? 4. How many water molecules we have to add? 4 water molecules. 4 water molecules. So next, balancing hydrogen atoms by adding hydrogen ions. By adding hydrogen ions to the deficient side. To the deficient side. See here, reactant side, how many hydrogens are there? 4 hydrogens are there. Here 1 hydrogen is there. So deficient, how many hydrogens are deficient, students? 3 hydrogens deficient. I am adding 3 hydrogens in product side. SO2 plus 2H2O gives rise to HSO4 minus. So here 4 hydrogens is there now. So I am adding 3 hydrogens. Already 1 hydrogen is there in product side. I am adding 3 hydrogen. Balancing hydrogen atoms by adding H plus ions to the deficient side. To the deficient side. Here product side, how many hydrogens are there? 8 hydrogens are is there. So I am adding 8 hydrogens in the reactant side. I am adding 8 hydrogens in reactant side. MnO4 minus plus 8H plus gives rise to Mn plus 2 plus 4H2. 4H2O. So I am again recalling. Balancing other than oxygen and hydrogen atoms. Here sulfur balanced, reactant side, product side already balanced. Manganese also here already balanced. Balancing oxygen atoms by adding water molecules to the deficient side. Here 2 oxygens is there, here 4. I am adding here 2 water molecules. So in reduction half reaction, 4 oxygens is there, I am adding 4 water molecules. Balancing hydrogen atoms. Balancing hydrogen atoms to the deficient side. Here how many hydrogens are is there? 2 2s are 4. 4 hydrogens are there. Here 1 hydrogen is there. I am adding 3 hydrogens in product side. So in reduction of reactions similarly. So here how many hydrogens are is there? 8 hydrogens are is there. I am adding here. Here product side. Here reactant side I am adding 8 hydrogens. Product side 8 hydrogens is there now. So next we have to balance charge. We have to balance charge. How to balance charge I am easily showing here. Note this one. Note one. See here. So here no charge is there in this compound taken as 0. 0 plus here also no charge 0. Product side I am balancing charge. Here we have to multiply. Here 1 mole is there, 1 mole, here 1 mole. 1 into minus 1, power is minus 1. 1 into minus 1 plus. So 3 into, here power is plus 1. Multiply, 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. So simplify here. Minus 1 plus 3. Minus 1 plus 3. 2. What is the charge here? 2. What is the charge here, students? 2. So we have to add 2 electrons. We have to add 2 electrons. So in oxidation half reaction we have to add 2 electrons in product side. Loss of electrons. Oxidation means loss of electrons. So we are adding these 2 electrons in product side. See here, this O2 plus 2H2O gives rise to HSO4 minus 3H plus. See how much charge we got, students, here? 2 electrons. Loss of electrons I am showing here in oxidation half reaction. So in reduction half reaction I am doing similar same method. Here charge, here 1 mole is there, 1 into minus 1. Note this one, note. This one taken as a note. So 1 into minus 1 less. So here charge plus 1. How many moles are there? Hydrogens? 8 into 8 ones are 8. Here 1 mole is there, 1 into plus 2. 1 twos are 2. Here no charge is there, taken as 0. Simplify. I am simplifying 1 minus 1 plus 8. How much, students? 7. Here we got 2. These two take left side. 7 minus 2. How much we got? 5. 5 electrons. These 5 electrons we have to add in reactant side. In reduction half reaction. I am adding here. So here on oxidation half reaction, loss of electrons. In reduction half reaction, gain of electrons. In reduction half reaction, gain of electrons takes place. I am adding these 5 electrons in left hand side. MnO4 minus plus 8H plus 5 electrons. 5 electrons gives rise to Mn plus 2 plus 4H2 plus 4H2. Now equalize the electrons. Next step, equalize the electrons. We got here 2 electrons. So this one taken as first equation, this one second equation. Here 2 electrons is there. So I am underlining here. Here 2 electrons we got. Here 5 electrons we got. I am solving these 2 equations. How to? Here 2 electrons we got. Here 5 electrons. So equalize the electrons. How to equalize the electrons, students? By multiplying this one with 5, this one with 2, this one with 2. So copy this one, students. Copy this one. Copy this one. See, I am writing here. Next step I am writing. Here we got 2 electrons. Here we got 5 electrons. This one first equation. This one second equation. I am writing first equation. Here 2 electrons we got. I am multiplying this equation with 5. Here I am multiplying this equation 2. Why? Because so 5 twos are 10 electrons we got. Here 5 twos are 2 electrons. So first equation I am multiplying with 5. 5 SO2. This is oxidation of reaction. This is reduction of reaction. Here first equation multiplying with 5. 5 SO2 plus 5 2 is 10 H2O gives rise to 5 HSO4 plus 5 3 is 15 15H plus 15H plus. So 5 2s are 10 electrons. 5 2s are 10 electrons. 10 electrons. So in this equation, reduction of reaction, I am multiplying. So this equation with the 2 MnO4, 2 MnO4, 2 8 jar 16H plus 5 2 jar 10 electrons, 2 Mn plus 2, multiplying total equation with 2 plus, so 2 4 jar 8H2, 8H2. These two equations I am adding here. So this is the first equation, oxidation of reaction. So this is the reduction of reaction. I am arranging like this. This is the first equation. This is the second equation. So here electrons, electrons equal, no? So in reactant side 10 electrons we got, in product side 10 electrons. We have to we can cancel like this here. 10 electrons, 10 electrons, 10 electrons, 10 electrons, and cancelled. So in reactant side, so similar here 10 H2O we got, here 8 H2O, 8 H2O. This 8 H2O we can subtract from more number of water molecules. This is less water molecules. So 8 water molecules we can subtract from 10 water molecules. How much we got? 2 water molecules we got. We got 2 water molecules. Here 15H plus, here 15H plus, here 16H plus, 16H plus. So 15H plus is less number of hydrogen atoms. We can subtract from 16. We got here 1. Here we got 1H plus. How much left here in reactant side, students? First one I am writing 5SO4, 5SO2 plus first compound I wrote here. Second one 2 MnO4, 2 MnO4 minus plus how many water molecules are there? 2 water molecules, 2 H2O. So here 1H plus is there, plus 1H plus gives rise to in product side I am writing here. So SO2 we wrote, no? Take a S compound. Take S compound 5HSO4. I am writing first one. This one 5HSO4 minus plus 2 Mn plus 2 next compound plus here no compounds left. So this is the balanced equation. I am showing here this is correct or not. See here how many sulfurs are there? 5 sulfurs are there. Here product side 5 sulfurs we got. Here how many oxygens are there? 5 2s are 10 oxygens is there. 10, 5 2 is 10. Here 2 4s are 8. 5 2 is 10 plus 8. 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 5 4s are 20. Oxygens balanced. Manganese atoms. Manganese. 2 manganese is there. Here 2 manganese. So all the elements, all atoms are balanced total equation. This is the balanced equation we got in acidic medium. Copy this one. This is the balanced equation. See here I am easily, once again I am showing easily how to, this is balanced or not I am checking here. Check elements left side, left hand side and right hand side, whether it is balanced or not I am checking here. See here I am taking first one sulfur atoms, I am taking first element sulfur taken. How many sulfurs are is there in reactant side? Here 5s, 5 sulfurs are is there. In product side how many sulfurs are is there? 5. So this is balanced. Sulfur atoms are balanced. Next I am going to balancing manganese atoms. How many manganese atoms are is there in left hand side? So 2 manganese atoms is there. 2 Mn, 2 Mn. Next I am balancing oxygen atoms. I am checking oxygen atoms. How many oxygen atoms is there? 5 to 10. 10, 2 4s are 8. So 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. How much oxygen atoms we got here? Left hand side 20. In product side we got 20 oxygen atoms. So this is balanced. Oxygen atoms balanced. I am balancing hydrogen atoms. See here I am, how many hydrogens are is there? So 2 plus 4. 4 plus 1, 5 hydrogens. Balance. 5 hydrogens are is there. In product side, how many hydrogens are is there? 5. 5. So all the elements balanced. This is the, so balance, how to balance redox reaction in acidic medium. Given reaction in acidic medium. So we got correct answer. సో ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి ప్లీజ్, లైక్ చేయండి ప్లీజ్, లైక్ మై ఛానల్, ప్లీజ్ లైక్ మై ఛానల్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మై ఛానల్.